This is a follow-up video to one of our blog posts, which we titled Elements of Internet Marketing, Part 1. This is going to be the Part 2. Rather than writing a lengthy blog post, we decided to put up a video to show you how the elements of Internet marketing fit together. Now we're going to start this presentation with the search engine optimization, which is the core of Internet marketing, and it consists of on-page and off-page optimization. As far as on-page optimization is concerned, assessing your competition would be a good starting point, where you get your the knowledge of what your competitors are focusing on, what keywords they are using, and once you do your keyword analysis on your competitors, what you do is you take these keywords and you do a keyword research for yourself to find the most viable keywords for your own marketing. Once you have your own keywords, this actually sets a precedence for your own marketing goals, and also will enable you to prepare a highly optimized website. And within that website, you have factors such as site architecture, site usability, site design. And within the optimized content development, you have content title to page titles to optimized images to other factors that falls into optimizing your content. Besides all this, you have to watch out for the user experience, where all these factors fall into, and search engines actually started looking a little bit more heavily on this. And besides the user experience, there are other technical factors such as sitemap or W3C or Canonical or sitemap, like Google Sitemap. They all fall under the on-page optimization. These are the main factors of on-page optimization, and they can be broken down to other factors, of course. For the purpose of this video, we are going to go into off-page optimization, and we're going to explain what off-page optimization is. And everything on off-page optimization practically boils down to link building, and link building goes back to your keywords, and these keywords are actually keywords that you got from your keyword analysis and keyword research, and of course you built your highly optimized content with your keywords. Now link building goes back to your keywords because you use your keywords in your anchor text, and that's how you build your links back to your website. In order to build these links, these are the elements within the off-page optimization, from blogging to Web 2.0 sites to press releases, which you use to develop your backlinks to your own website. Now, how do we combine all this to do an effective internet marketing? We take all the off-page elements. Again, it's from blogging, Web 2.0, article directories, social media, online communities, videos, directories, local directories, forum participating, guest blogging, and press releases. And we implement all this into your website. And these are the elements within the off-page link building elements per se. Social media, it has quite many, but just to mention a few, you have Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Foursquare, and anything else like article directories. There are many of them, so that you can build backlinks and actually build your credibility. Starting your link building strategy, which is your off-page optimization, by using the anchor text, which goes back to your keywords. Your blog serves a very important aspect of it, where you post articles to your blog, and that's how you communicate with your prospects or your clients, actually with the world. Within your blog, you can actually incorporate your videos, where you can post your videos into video sites, and further amplify yourself, your blog, within your blog is the social media, where you can tweet or put it on your Facebook or any other social media that you're using when you post a blog. And you can also talk about your online communities or anything that you talked about within the online communities in your blog, or vice versa. Another factor is the directories. These are the directories like Yahoo or DMOZ, which serve an important purpose, and you can build backlinks from these directories. And talking about directories, local directories actually serve a very important aspect of link building, because nowadays the search engines started putting heavy weight on the local directories. And just to mention a few, is Biznik, Yahoo Local, of course Google Places, Bing Local, Brown Book, Merchant Circle. These are local places that where you can list your website. And forum participating is another way of building links and also build your credibility, where you participate in forums that are related to your industry, and you start posting answers and build your credibility and become an authority within your knowledge base. And online communities, sort of like forums, but they are not the same. Just to give a couple of examples, one of them is Focus, the other one is Quora. This is where you can build backlinks, and you can also, of course, increase or enhance your credibility. Article directories, another factor within the link building strategy, where you can post articles, and super articles or ezine articles are a couple of them that we can mention. And you can build backlinks, and you can also post unique articles to enhance your authority in your industry. Web 2.0 properties are similar to article directories, but they are communities, and you can also post your articles here and build some backlinks from the Web 2.0 properties. And the beauty of this is, of course, you can also incorporate your videos within your posts. And one of the very important aspects of link building is, of course, guest blogging. Once you start becoming an authority or credible source, you will be invited to write articles in other blogs where you can build backlinks, and you can also use your videos if you're allowed within those blog posts. And video sites where you can post videos and build backlinks to your web page. And this also provides another unique importance where you can create your credibility with videos, and it can become viral all throughout the internet. Press releases, again, another item that you can use to build backlinks. While you're doing your press releases, and you can use your videos, incorporate your videos within your press releases, and you can also amplify yourself through your socials once you do a press release. And same thing for the videos. Once you start putting up videos, you can broadcast yourself again, amplify yourself through your socials, and it all goes back to your web page. And let's do a sample, and we're going to do a video marketing to create some buzz for you. And we're going to do this internet marketing because most people think that video marketing is just putting a video on YouTube, and in this sample we're going to show that it is not. And let's create a video and put this video into a couple of sites. One of them is YouTube, and the other authority video site is Vimeo. And we put this video up with under different titles, and we write up a nice optimized blurb or article content you may want to call, and link it back to your website. However, you do further, and every time you post to these video sites, you again amplify yourself through your socials under Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, or anything else that any other socials that you're using. From one of these video sites, what you can do is you can create a page with all of your videos within your website and pull this video to that page, and this is sort of like the list of your videos. And from this, when somebody clicks on a video, you can go to a separate page for that particular video with a nicely written content, and again optimized with different title and your keywords within your title. What this does is it changes your sitemap again, and this goes back to your Google sitemap, where you ping the search engines come and index your site because you have a fresh content. Besides all this, your blog serves a very important purpose, where you take the same video and you write up a nice article, again highly optimized with different title and keywords within the title, and you link it back to your website, and you again amplify yourself through your socials, where search engines actually index these socials, and which in turn they come back to your blog and along with your followers or your friends. Another important aspect of a blog is, of course, your RSS feed, where RSS aggregators will distribute your article all throughout the internet to the interested parties. And same thing happens within your blog. You give a little nudge to the search engines, and that means that your blog has a fresh content, and they should come and index your site to have it listed on search results. Another strategy that you can add actually to this is take it further a little bit more. What you can do is you can write 5 or 10 highly optimized unique content and post them to your Web 2.0 websites. As we mentioned before, these websites, they accept videos. So what happens is you link your video, you embed your video into these into your articles, and you start video marketing per se within these communities, Web 2.0 communities. And as soon as you do this, you again amplify yourself all throughout the socials like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Plus, or anything else that you're using. So just to make a comment as to doing video marketing and just putting up a one video into YouTube or Vimeo is not actually a video marketing per se. You can do a lot more with your video and amplify yourself or broadcast yourself rather than just from one website. And this is on-page and off-page search engine optimization in a nutshell. And this is how you integrate all the web properties like blogging to Web 2.0 to press releases and build backlinks to your website. And when everything goes back to your website with keywords which contain your anchor text, and your anchor text is of course related to your marketing goals, your highly optimized website, and this all fits together for you to become a credible source and an authority in your industry. Thank you very much, and we hope that you enjoyed our presentation. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are at internetmarketingcompanyllc.com. We'll be more than glad to answer any further of your questions.